Hey, hey, you got the Boston Trucker with you. All right, today we're gonna be testing out the VIOFO A329 WW dash cam. The W stands for waterproof. It's a 3-camera dash cam. We're gonna be testing out on the highway, on the back roads, at the gravel pit, making deliveries. Let's go, yeah. Cue that music, wow. Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
Recording. 3 channels started.
So my VIOFO camera, it's got 3 cameras. I got this one right here, dash cam, driver's side, passenger side. I've got them mounted out on top of the mirrors, like that. You can stick them, I had it originally stuck on top of the air cleaner, but I liked it a little out further. A lot of people stick them on top of the mirrors or the bottom of the mirrors. These are skinny mirrors, so I built this little base for it. Just a piece of thin metal I bought at the hardware store. But I got a good angle on them. Very easy camera to use and connect to on the internet. you can see the VIOFO A329 WW is an amazing camera, great camera angles. It's great for content producers or anybody who just wants to be safe, catching those four-wheelers on the road, driving crazy, and our fellow truck drivers. You know, there's a lot of nuts out here. Thank you, Crystal, over at VIOFO, for sending me the camera. I'm really happy with it. Check it out. There's a link in the comment section below in the description. Go to VIOFO, order yourself a camera. Peace and grease.